Everyone says warm ice is impossible. They've laughed at my dream for so long, but what if they're wrong? What if we could make ice that's warm but doesn't melt?
Impossible! That is ridiculous, my young friend.
I'll prove it to you. No more. Today I find out. Today I prove that impossible dreams can become possible realities. I'm about to create something impossible. This liquid will turn to ice, but it will be hot. This looks like ordinary water, but it's not. I've created a supersaturated solution of something very special. Let's test it and see what happens. This is it. Everything I've ever dreamed of. Please work. Please let warm ice be real. No way! It's real. Warm ice is real? I actually did it. Dreams really can come true. Want to know how this works? Actually, let me show you how to make this at home first. Professor Frost's warm ice works through sodium acetate crystallization. He dissolved a lot of sodium acetate in hot water, more than is normally possible. As the solution cooled, the extra sodium acetate remained trapped in the liquid. Then he added a tiny crystal, and boom! The entire solution instantly crystallized, becoming warm in the process. This is called an exothermic reaction. Crystallization releases energy. That's why it's ice that's warm. Real science, not magic. Dreams aren't impossible. They just need the right science and friends who believe in you.
We always believed!
Amazing!
You get it!
If a little penguin who was laughed at for years can make warm ice real, what impossible dream will you make reality? Don't let anyone tell you it can't be done. Science and believing in yourself can make anything possible. Next week, Dr. Bubbles discovers the secret of liquid that changes colors with your emotions. Don't miss this magical chemistry adventure. Please comment which experiment you would like to see next and subscribe to our channel. Keep dreaming impossible dreams, keep believing in the power of science, and remember, in Wonder Labs, nothing is truly impossible. See you in our next amazing adventure.
Wonder Labs, meet our scientific crew. Wonder Labs, amazing experiments just for you.